New disturbing details about the disappearance of a woman last seen at a Seattle Mariners game. She was at T-Mobile Park last Friday, but family and friends haven't heard from her ever since. Today, a King County prosecutor was laying out the case against the man they believe is responsible for her suddenly disappearing. Good evening, and thanks for joining us. I'm Matthew Smith.
And I'm Nia Wong. Our team is spread out on both ends of this wide-spanning situation. Nikki Torres out in the Cascades, where the suspect says he drove through this week.
But first, we want to check in with Fox 13's Frankie Thompson, who was inside that court hearing today.
Refusing to appear in front of a judge, proceedings continue at King County Jail Court in the case against Brett Gitchell. The 46-year-old, suspected in the disappearance of Leticia Martinez, also has several counts against him for attacking her son, Patrick.
Brett kidnapped her disabled son and attempted to strangle him to unconsciousness.
Patrick's mother, Leticia Martinez, was last seen at a Seattle Mariners baseball game on March 31st. Gitchell told police during questioning that he had not been to a Mariners game, even though he was still wearing an attendance wristband from T-Mobile Park when he was taken into custody. It wasn't until police showed him Leticia's selfie that Gitchell admitted he was at the game with her and then told detectives he wanted a lawyer. Prosecutors say while Gitchell has been in custody, investigators have been studying his cell phone data.
Show that Brett Gitchell's cell phone activity is consistent with him being at the Martinez-Cosman home.
Prosecutors say on April 2nd, Gitchell and Patrick met for the first time at Martinez's home. Court documents say Patrick was awoken to the sound of an unknown adult male knocking on his bedroom door inside the home, waking him up. Patrick stated he did not know the man, but believed him to be a neighbor based on what he said. The unknown male told him that his mother had been in an accident and that he was going to take Patrick to see her at the hospital. Patrick said that they got into a vehicle. After driving around South King County together, prosecutors say Gitchell put something over Patrick's head.
And now he's trying to strangle him, and one with something he puts over his head, which is an unknown material that, unfortunately, Mr. Cosman couldn't describe exactly what that was, but also with his forearm on his throat. And only after being bitten and injured was he unable to overcome Patrick, which allowed him then to get out of the vehicle and call 911.
The defense argues there is not enough evidence to prove Gitchell was the same person as the suspect in the car with Patrick.
They're missing an actual restriction of the party's breathing, inability to show identity, and as well, absence of substantial bodily injury means that there's not probable cause for assault too.
The defense also says the prosecution's claims that activity from Gitchell's cell phone near Martinez's home is inadequate.
That type of information is not capable of geolocating a phone with a great deal of precision. We're not talking here about GPS location data, which is highly precise, and what we're talking about here is cell site location data, and so that type of information will tell you that a cell phone appeared in the general area of a cell tower.
Patrick is safe with loved ones, hoping the same safe return for his mother. Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.